Good morning, class 5th. It is your EVS class, and as it is Saturday today, so what are we going to do? We will do some activity based learning. All right, we'll do some activity based learning. Till now we have read 2 chapters, children. The first chapter that we read was Our Family, and the second chapter that we have read is Sports and Martial Arts. Okay, now what is your activity? This is your activity. Take out your EVS notebook. Write down on the top your chapter name, chapter 2, sports and martial arts. Write it down. Then write down activity. Do it with me. Write down activity, or you can write activity based learning. Yes. Now note down the question. Fill in the letters to make a complete word. Write it down. Fill in the letters to make a complete word. अब ये कुछ वर्ड्स है जो आपने इस चैप्टर में पढ़े हैं. कौन से चैप्टर में? स्पोर्ट्स एंड मार्शल आर्ट्स में. आपको इन वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है. इनमें ब्लैंक्स फिल करके आपको ये वर्ड्स क्या करने हैं? कंप्लीट करने हैं. ठीक है, चैप्टर से रिलेटेड ये 2-3 मैं आपको बताऊंगी. रेस्ट यू विल ट्राई योरसेल्फ. डू इट विद मी. टेक आउट योर नोटबुक, योर पेन, योर पेंसिल, योर बुक फॉर हेल्प and do it with me. Your first word is G dash 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 S. So this word is related to your chapter only. What is the name of the chapter? Sports and Martial Arts. So the first thing that we read in this chapter is games. So write it down. Write these words with black pen, and the words in the dash will be written with a blue pen. Write it down. Very good. Do it with me. Come to the third part. Write down the second part. H dash dash K dash dash. Now think what is it and write it down yourself. Come to the third part. Write down K with black pen, then dash dash. K again with the black pen, dash, and O again with black pen. What do you think can come here so that it make us something related to sports and martial arts? Yes, it is Kho-Kho. So K-H-O, write these words with blue pen. K-H-O, Kho-Kho. It is a game mostly played in India, especially popular among girls. Write other 3 with black and blue pen. Try to solve it and send it to me. Okay? Then children, after completing this, complete it. Very good. Then after completing it, come to the next page. Write down chapter Our Family. We have read this chapter earlier. So there are few words related to this chapter which you have to fill. The first word is F dash M dash dash dash. So what does it make? It makes F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Write these words with black pen, children, and these words with blue pen. Write it down. Don't postpone your work. Write it down right now. Come to the second word. M dash dash B dash dash F. The people who live in the family are known as members. So M-E-M-B-E-R-S. Members. The words given with the black pen and the words which you are writing with the blue pen. Copy the other words. Then I'm coming to the last one. D dash M. What does it make? Dam. D-A-M. Dam. You have to do all these words in your homework. Complete your homework right now. Write these words with black pen. The words not given with blue pen. If you find any difficulty, take out your book. Read the chapter Our Family. You'll find the other words also. Okay? Complete it. then switch to your next class. Alright? Very good. You have to complete it and send it to me before 2 p.m. You all have to send your homework before 2 p.m. Not later than that, children. You should be punctual towards your homework. You get your homework before 10 a.m. So you should make a habit of sitting between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. like you used to do in your school. This should be your regular habit of sitting and doing your work between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Complete your first subject work, then come to your second subject. Complete this work and then go to your second subject. Very good. Bye-bye.